Okay, Madilyn, what are we doing here today?
So, we're gonna fix my tires bike because the tires on my bike are not working there.
What happened at the last race?
The last time we were going to this race?
Remember the last race we went to, right here? Not the same, well, what happened last week?
So, my tire, it didn't have enough air in it. So my dad had to tie his shoelace to it.
Yep, because it was spinning on the rim, right? But what happened just last week at the race?
My tires did not work that well.
Look at me real quick.
So,
What happened? You were sliding all over the place?
yeah. So
Nice.
my tires didn't have enough grip.
Not enough grip, huh?
So that's why we're getting new tires.
Oh, who hooked you up with these tires? Eleanor. Yep, she hooked you up with a nice set of Dunlops, huh?
Yep.
Are they gonna be pretty nice? Show us what tire you got. Show us the new tire. Where's the new tire? It's right here. Nice. Those knobbies a little more grippy.
Much. See?
Yeah, look at that. So, what do we got to do? What's the first thing? We already got the tire off the bike, right?
Yep.
So we're working on the front or the rear?
The rear. Right, the front.
We just did the rear, right?
Yeah, I don't really know what part is which, but
Well, the front goes in the front of the bike, right? And the rear goes in what?
back.
The back. Okay, so hold on here, girlfriend. My little daughter. Okay, what do we do first here? Show me what we're gonna do. Very first thing. What do we gotta do? What's wrong with our tire right now?
So I think it's kind of flattish.
Okay, we gotta let the air out.
Yep.
So what do we do?
That's what we're trying to get.
Start with this black piece. Say, unscrew this black cap. So first thing you do is get the air out of the tire. Okay, so what are you taking off right now?
The black piece.
The cap. It's called a cap. Okay, so now what do we do?
D-U-N-L-O-P.
Now, what do we gotta do now? What's
We gotta screw this cap off.
Yep, I thought you already did that.
No.
You screwed it back on so you could unscrew it again? Oh. It's fun. Yep, it is. Okay, what happens now?
Now we have to take off the nut.
Nope, what goes inside of the nut? What's down in that little hole?
Oh yeah, we have to get that
What do
out.
we call that?
The back.
The valve stem. You almost had it. Okay, see if you can pull it out for us. Unscrew it. Show us how you do it. There you go. Unscrew it now. Sometimes it's hard to start. Here, let me start. Show me how you do it, Madilyn. You're tightening it.
I am.
There you go. You gotta unscrew it. Okay, so we let the air out. What's the very next thing we do?
Get the nut.
Get that nut. What size wrench do we use?
Size 12.
12 what?
Millimeters.
Millimeters. Yep. Okay, let's get that nut off. Okay, where are we at?
So we just got the nut off. It was a hard nut to crack.
Okay, so what happens next?
So now we're going to press down on
We
it.
gotta get the tire off, right? Now it just jumps off the wheel, doesn't it?
Yep, but it's hard getting all the tires
It
off.
is hard. What we're gonna do?
What? Oh,
Right on this side.
I was.
How many should we put in to start? Wait, we want to keep this right here at 9 o'clock. Put this in the other way. See the pointy end? So we got to put 4 in, right? 1, 2. This one goes the other way. A little confusing, sorry. 3, 4, right? Now, one thing we want to do is push this tire down in here too, right? Okay, so now one at a time, let's get these. Okay, can you do the first one? mood ring saying right now?
Normal.
It's saying normal.
Yeah.
Is it pretty effective?
Yeah, it does my mood.
Nice.
It does.
So you're doing awesome because you're putting new tires on your new kicks on your bike?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, so now what do? We got the tire off on one side, right?
Now I have to get the tire out from the other.
Okay, so what do we do? Okay, so here's the valve stem. So we'll have the valve stem at 9 o'clock. Start up here. Gotta put all 4 in, right? Yep, nope, just the way you had it the first time. No, the way you had it this way. See, because we wanted to go in and grab the tire. So what? We gotta do all 4. 1, 2,
Now,
3.
leave this one.
Okay, you ready? Come here.
Okay, come on.
Okay, you ready? So you do one. No, don't make it lower. You don't
Whoa.
have to bend over.
It's too hard for me.
Who's doing this job? Okay, go ahead.
Me?
Okay, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. Don't pop the tire.
I know, that's so
I
hard.
think you popped it right there.
Dad, you did. It's hard.
Okay, now we got all 4.
If you did.
Okay, don't video. Okay, what are we gonna do now?
So,
You gotta pull real hard on that to get it out, right? Pull on it. Ah! Hey, maybe I should pull on it.
yeah.
Here.
Alright, what are we doing in here? Okay, we're trying to pull this out.
Oh, look how strong I am.
I tried it and too hard.
Okay,
Like
what
how
do we
my
do with
dad
this
pulled
now?
my tooth out.
What do we do with this? Okay, now we got the tube out. What do we do? We kind of want to check it, right? Make sure we don't put any holes in it.
Yeah,
So what we got to do?
we got to blow it up.
We got to put this back in though. Don't lower it down. Okay, hold on. This piece. Yep, you got it just right. Just like that. Put it right in there. Okay, now use this. Tighten it in there.
Dad. Wait, wrong.
Yep, just like that. Want me to squish it out on you again?
No.
I'm so helpful.
You are not so... Okay, you are, but not...
Oh, okay. Is it good? Okay, let's put some air in this. Okay, stick that end on it. Hold it on there. You gotta push it on, girl.
We're good. We're good! Yeah, it is.
Okay, so now we need to soap up the edges, right?
Yep.
Yep, and make sure the tire's pointing the right way with the arrow.
Yeah.
Yep!
Yep.
Okay, so we gotta make sure the arrow's going the right way.
Yeah.
What happens if you do it wrong, Madilyn?
Then bad stuff happens.
Then you get to redo it after you're done. Is that fun?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna push this on. Check it out, we got it on with the soap.
Yay!
Ah.
Yay!
Okay, so now what's next? What do we do now?
Now we have to spray it with a little bit more soap.
What do we do with that? What do we got there?
So we've got this, the magical tool.
What do we do with it?
So you stick it in here.
Nice, feed it in there. You gotta feed it in a little further. Feed it all in.
Can you put your fingers in there?
Well, you got little fingers, so I think you should stick yours in there.
No, but it's...
Pull it out. Just grab it in there. Nice.
You're screwing this thing in here.
Into the inner tube.
The inner tube. How do you know every word?
Because I'm the wisest guy you know.
Oh, Dad, we gotta let all the air.
Okay, suck all that air out of it.
Tube. It's in.
Got it all screwed in? Nice. Okay, now what do we need to do? Gotta get it in, right?
Yeah, but for this.
No, we gotta push it in. Okay, ready? So what we gotta do now?
We gotta pull this.
Pull this and push that in.
Pulling.
Getting? Pull. Okay, hold on, let me. Now pull it. Hey! Got it. Okay, now what do we do?
Did we forget the nut? Like the little
No.
nut?
So we gotta unscrew this now and put the nut on, right? Unscrew this little piece. Oh, that's tightening.
This is so confusing.
What do we say to know which way to turn things?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
What do we say?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
That's right.
Now we squish the tube into the all the way around.
Into the tire, right? So squish it in here.
No, I did not.
Okay, Madilyn, what do we got going on here?
This is the magical tool to get tires on without popping.
That's right. Okay, so we gotta take this middle piece out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pull that middle piece out, unscrew it. Oh no. This just slides on here. You gotta untighten it from here and you gotta unscrew it. I got the top part. I got the top part for you. Okay, here's how the magical tool works.
Press down.
Okay, we're gonna try to work this around.
Hi, Jules.
It's cheating. It's almost like cheating.
How on earth?
Okay, let's fill it up with air, see if it's got any holes in it. What do we do next? We gotta check it for air, right?
Yes.
What do we do to do that? What do we need to put in here? What's the little piece that goes in the middle called?
I don't know.
The valve stem.
How can I ever get it?
Okay, how do we tighten that in there?
I don't know.
How does that go?
Is that too funny or what?
I thought you were supposed to be teaching us how to do this.
I am. That's mean.
Here, you know what? I think just let me help you. Hold on, pull it out for a sec. It's easier if you do it this way.
Okay.
Righty tighty. You got it. You're going the right way. Screw it in nice and tight. You don't want to unscrew on you during the race, do you?
That would be bad.
We're gonna test it.
There.
Is it holding there?
Yep.
Nice. Okay, let's check what our pressure's at. How do we check the pressure?
This tool. This tool.
Okay, show us how it goes. What do you do? You do that, now you read the gauge. What's it say? 45! That's way too high. You're trying to pop it. Let's let some air out. How do we let air out? You gotta use the other end, like this. See this other end?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna let some air out. Okay, now push this button here. It'll go down to 0. Now let's check it again. What are we at?
30.
30, still too tall. What do we want to be at, you think?
Ah. I don't know.
Push the button on the side of that thing. Push the button to release it. Yep, okay. Now what are we at? 15? Okay, we'll let a little out. Okay, push the button. That's perfect right there. Okay, what's next?
The cap.
Oh, that's the cap.
Oh!
But first of all, I think we should tighten this nut here, don't you?
Yeah.
Tighten that up. What size wrench do we use?
The size 12.
Size 12 what? Millimeters. Okay, tighten her up, right?
So now that we've got our tires done, now I'm gonna come beat you guys.
We'll see. Think you'll be faster with better tires? Make it up the hills. It's raining.